Sino po dito yung bored lang sa bahay and naisipan na, ay, may Japanese class to, 80 pesos lang. Enroll kaya ako? I have spare money naman eh. Try ko nga. Sino dito yung ganon? Bored lang po, bored. Wala naman?
Wala.
Talagang gusto pong matuto. Gusto
Gustong
pong
matuto.
matuto. Ayan, sige po. Alright. So everybody, good evening. And again,
Good.
welcome to Japanese 101. Alright, this is our first session and tonight, ito po yung mangyayari. Number 5, things to know before learning Japanese. Number 6, some classroom expressions na gagamitin natin, no? And then, dun na tayo sa hiragana, which is the focus of this course. Ayan. Alright, so welcome students. Welcome po. Alright, ano ba tong Japanese 101 course? Okay, this is Introduction to Basic Japanese. It focuses on the mastery of reading and writing basic Japanese characters, which are hiragana and katakana. Okay, so some of you may be nakakabasa na ng hiragana characters, but hindi lang naman characters ang kailangan mabasa natin, kundi sentences. Okay? And other than the 46 characters each sa hiragana and katakana, meron pang mga rules. Okay? So yun po yung aaralin natin sa course na ito. Okay? And this is recommended for those who have no background in Japanese. So katulad ng question ko sa inyo kanina, kung first time nyo ba mag-aral ng Japanese and most of you said yes, so this is perfect for you. Okay po? All right. So for the course duration and schedule, this course will be a total of 15 hours, 1.5 hours, times 10 sessions. For our meeting, I sent you the link for our Zoom meeting. It will be the same Zoom link. So, yun lang po gagamitin natin. Yan. And materials needed for this class, we have two workbooks, yung hiragana and katakana na sinend ko po sa inyo. This is available in the Philippines. So, kung gusto niyo ng physical book, yan, meron din po. And then, that's it. Meet the team. So, for this course, I will be your head instructor. My name is Sheka. Nice to meet you all. Ayan. For the last session, you will have a reading test, of course, kung nakakabasa na ba kayo ng sentences after the sessions. So, he will be the one to assess kung pass or fail. Okay? Of course, nakadepende sa inyong efforts and time na ibibigay sa pag-aaral. Tama po? Kasi 10 sessions lang naman po itong ating introductory course. Di ba po? Aside from the 10 hours, 15 hours sa 10 sessions na yon, pag di po kayo nag-aral on your own time, wala po tayong matututunan masyado. Okay po? So, I hope you will cooperate sa paggawa ng homework. Another regular instructor is Cristel Sensei. Yan po. But for this course, hindi nyo siya magiging tutor. Okay. And then, reminders. Here are some important factors in successful learning. Sino po dito gustong mag-succeed sa pag-aaral? Sino dito
Present.
yung present? Ayan. Sino po dito yung bored lang sa bahay and naisipan na, ay, may Japanese class to, 80 pesos lang. Enroll kaya ako? I have spare money naman eh. Try ko nga. Sino dito yung ganon? Bored lang po, bored. Wala naman?
Wala.
Talagang gusto pong matuto. Gusto
Gustong
pong
matuto.
matuto. Ayan, sige po. Ayan. So, sana lahat tayo gustong matuto po, no? So, here are important factors, okay, in learning Japanese successfully. Okay? Number 1, or the first one, motivation. I want to learn Japanese because. Bakit? Ano pong reason nyo? Some of us want to work in Japan. Some of us want to live in Japan in the future. Some of us are raising kids in Japan. Di ba po? So, ano bang motivation nyo? Why do you want to learn Japanese? Okay? So, always remember your motivation. Next po, dedication. I will give time and exert effort in studying every day. Bakit every day? Kahit po 15 to 30 minutes every day, you need to keep practicing. Okay? Give time, exert effort because learning Japanese is not easy. Japanese is one of the most difficult languages in the world. Kung hindi niyo pa po alam. So, it's one of the most difficult languages in the world and para daw kayong nag-aaral ng engineering all over again kung susumahin yung pag-aaral ng Japanese po, no? To be able to communicate, no, sa ganong level, parang kang nag-aral ng engineering. So, that means hindi yun madali, 'di ba po? So, please give time talaga. Okay, next po, right mindset. As I've said, it's one of the most difficult languages. It is challenging. It will not be easy. But please don't give up easily. Little by little, pag nagbibigay po kayo ng time and effort, you will see na meron kayong progress. So, celebrate that progress. Yung little steps na yan, celebrate it. Okay? Yan. Lastly, attitude. So, please participate actively and enjoy every session. Ayan. Okay po ba?
Okay.
Okay po. Mayroon po ba tayong problema dito sa mga factors na to?
Wala
Wala.
Wala naman po. Kaya naman po mag-exert ng effort?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's good. Right. So, andito na tayo sa self-introduction. Okay na ba? Pwede na bang mag-self-introduction? Okay. Saglit lang po ito. Ayan. So, for the self-introduction, ayan lang. Konti lang. Just say, nice to meet you. I'm your name, no? I live in current place nyo po, kung saan kayo ngayon, kung nasa ibang bansa kayo, nasa Pilipinas, anong city, kung nasa Japan, anong prefecture. Ayan. And then, what food do you like? Then, this phrase, yoroshiku onegai shimasu, is a phrase that means please be kind to me. I look forward to having a good relationship with you. I look forward to working with you. Ganyan. Yung yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka-ending natin. So, the first phrase is eto. Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite.
Yan. Repeat after me. Hajimemashite.
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 Okay. Which means nice to meet you. Okay? And then, pangalan nyo po. For me, Seka desu. Kayo po. Pangalan nyo, desu.
Emily des. Emily des.
Okay? And then, place ni sundeimasu. So, I live in Chiba right now. So, Chiba ni sundeimasu. How about you?
Tokyo ni sendemasu.
Sunday
Ni sendemasu.
Okay.
Okay.
And lastly, eto po. Blank ga suki desu. So, here, kahit anong pagkain or pagkain na gusto nyo. Okay po? Ako, yakisoba ga suki desu. Ayun. How about you? Pasta. Okay, sige po. Alright.
So,
Ides ka?
Ides.